Crystals are scanned with the use of virtual technologies, which is the initial stage of the production process. A 3D model of the future diamond is automatically created by a computer software program and then inscribed into the crystal. This crystal will make 2 princess-cut gemstones, the most expensive kind. The princess-cut diamond is like a pyramid in shape and has pointed corners. This is the classic cut. A diamond cutter's aim is to see the future gem in a rough crystal, and the more perfect diamond he sees, the better. Diamonds are cleaved in the neighboring production room, where they are processed mechanically, using bronze discs. The process is time-consuming, with about 100 machine tools working simultaneously. This laser device cuts diamonds like butter. It's faster, but it poses a higher risk of cracking the diamonds. The diamonds are ground using special machine tools which resemble a turner's lathe. Valeri has been grinding diamonds for some 40 years. He was involved in creating the plant's biggest ever black diamond, and he's perfectly aware that one single incautious movement can lead to huge losses. This diamond I'm holding is worth $64,260. Cutting and polishing are the final stages of the diamond production process. For the princess cut, a diamond is polished using diamond grit embedded in a rapidly spinning cast iron wheel with a total of 57 edges. With all proportions strictly observed, the gemstone will reflect all the light that falls on it. You can clearly see everything, accurate edges, corners, all parameters are strictly observed. This diamond will sparkle, catching the light. These women, diamond sorters or inspectors, do not wear diamonds but carry them in their suitcases. The newly produced gemstones are sorted by color, size, and shape, and then, finally, they go on sale in luxury jewelry stores.
This integrated structure is both light and extremely rigid. Scientists from Obninsk have designed a solar panel frame weighing just 480 grams. This experimental component will become part of the Intergiliozond probe, due to streak towards the Sun in 2015. The Enterprise also manufactures unique temperature regulation panels for new generation satellites. These glass pieces are about 120 microns thick. Just for comparison, a human hair is about 70 microns thick. The panels have made it possible to increase the active service life of spacecraft from 3 to 5 years to 12 to 15. Anyone entering the laboratory where these innovative components are made is required to wear a white gown and shoe covers. The magnetron unit is used to coat fighter cockpit canopies with nanomaterials, including gold molecules. We bought 4 kilograms of gold and flattened it into plates, which reduced the sun's glare by 40%. They also reduce electromagnetic radiation by 250 times. A laser device is used to cut elements of the Proton launch vehicle skin in a nearby workshop. Carbon fabric pieces are placed manually into several dozen layers at a preset angle. Although it's quite thin, this structural material can withstand 16 to 17 ton loads. These are all new carbon fiber materials. Composite materials are used to make the Sukhoi T-50 PAK-FA 5th generation fighter, also known as the Russian stealth fighter. 5-kilogram golden bars are melted down right in front of your eyes. The temperature in the furnace reaches up to 1,200 degrees Celsius. The molten metal is carefully poured into molds. It cools down within 5 minutes and then is rolled into long sheets. These sheets will then be used to create bracelets, chains, and even wedding rings. We take the sheet metal, roll it out, then put it into the press to cut these ring shapes. Precision jewelry work requires a laser. The designers can create a model of a piece of jewelry by adjusting this machine, which turns out a piece that is accurate within a micron. It would take a whole day for a person to cut out this type of pattern, but a machine can make thousands of them in a day. Jewelry manufacturing is almost completely automated. Chains are made by special machines. There are 5 kinds of them, all of different thicknesses, colors, and hallmarks. The end product is treated with diamond crystals to make the metal shine. At the final stage, the jewelry is decorated with gemstones. A microscope is an essential tool here. The main difficulty is that you need to make sure that the stones do not touch each other when you make the holes, otherwise they can break. From the workshop, the rings, pendants and chains go straight to the jewelry stores.